Hi, I'm Adrian Ramsay from Adrian Ramsay Design House, and I want to talk to you about renovations. This is a large part of the market. With that, the way we approach it here in the studio is always design magic first. So that's the dream, that's the budget, and the design, how we push all those things together. Then what we want to do with the renovation is we want to say, well, what are we going to keep, improve, or replace to maximize our outcomes? The biggest point is going to be your new needs, what you're looking for the future, and then how the design and the environment are going to interact. Often, unrenovated houses aren't necessarily working well with the environment, and this is one of the things that we're looking to overcome. So we want to look at the breezes, the light, the noise, and our environment overall and say, what will we get from this? There will always be the regulations that are going to govern some of that, but overall that's how we're going to put the design together. So in summing up, there's 4 things. Number 1 is going to be design magic. Number 2 is going to be keep, improve, and replace. Number 3 is going to be new needs. Number 4 is going to be the environment. I'm Adrian Ramsay, and I'm looking forward to designing your next renovation with you.